Welcome to Barbecue Today. I'm your host, Derek Riches. Today we're going to be talking Argentinian style grills, particularly the IG Charcoal BBQ Grill. So this is an open style charcoal grill. It's about as basic as you're going to get. The only way to make any adjustment whatsoever to the way this cooks is by this crank here. It adjusts the coal grate inside, lifting the fire closer or farther away from the food you're cooking. Right here on the surface, right here open, directly over the fire. This is grilling in its purest form. So let's fire this up and see how it works. Argentinian style grill. It's completely open. There is no lid. There isn't even a cover for this grill. This crank will raise up our coals, get it nice and close to our food if we want, or if we need to slow down the cooking, we can lower it down. That's the adjustment you can make here. This is direct grilling, and that's what it's good for. But it's excellent at it. Now, this is an all stainless steel construction, but it's all stainless steel sheet metal. So periodically, that metal expansion will cause it to pop, make a loud banging noise. It's a little disconcerting, but it's the way it's engineered. The side tables will fold down, reducing your storage space. And this is a full width drip pan, ash pan, really, for cleaning the grill out. There's two casters on mine, but some of the models, for some reason, have four. Four would be more convenient. Okay. This style of grill is perfect for kebabs, carne asada, anything that's relatively thin. You're not going to roast a whole chicken here or cook a big roast. You're not going to smoke a brisket. You're going to grill straight. It's also perfect for burgers and hot dogs and all of that sort of stuff. This unit sells for about $460 to $500, depending upon where and when you buy it. Today I'm cooking up Egyptian style chicken kebabs and a Filipino style pork kebabs. Excellent recipes. These are absolutely amazing. We've also got some nice veggie kebabs going here. If you want the recipes, then you want to buy my book, Kebabs. There's a link down below. You'll love it. The company behind the IG Charcoal BBQ seems to be something of a startup, and there seems to be a bit of variation in the units that are being shipped from China. As I said, mine has two wheels. They picture on their website ones with four wheels. The legs here fit into the body, but they don't lock in place, at least not on my unit, which is different from the instructions that I received. And that's a bit of an annoyance when you try to move it. It's a fun grill though. I love the direct fire. I love cooking straight over charcoal and having really nothing in between the fire and the food. It's just a great way to cook. It was a lot of fun to play with. I've enjoyed the time I spent with it, and I'll probably keep cooking on it. I'll put a link below where you can buy it. You can also read my full review on my website, derekriches.com, and I'll put a link to that as well. Plus, the cookbook, because you want to buy the cookbook. It's a great cookbook.